Hello and welcome back to another video. It's another beautiful day here in the woodland. The bluebells are out, the sun's shining, the birds are singing. What could be better? Unfortunately, this video is not going to be an overnighter. I have actually been sent a new bit of kit to try. Some of you may have noticed this bit of kit on my person during the walking clips to this video. First, I'm going to get a brew on and have a drink and just chill out and enjoy this woodland for a little while. So I'll catch you all in a bit. Looks like a little squirrel's been here at some point eating something. Just left the leftovers on the log here. Okay, so now I've had my coffee, it's time to show you what I have been sent. Now, the company, Nordic Pocket Saw, very kindly sent me out this hand chainsaw. Comes in this really nice leather case. Honestly, I'm really impressed with the quality of this. Now, this is their premium version. This does retail on their website for €99. Now, I know that is quite a lot of money, but in life you get what you pay for. This is their premium version, so this is the best one they do. They do other versions out there, which I believe are around about half the price. Probably not going to come in a leather case, probably not going to have the leather handles on there. I've got some stats here I'm going to read off for you because I'm rubbish at remembering things. So, the case is made of Swedish certified leather. The case weighs in at 2.9 ounces. The chain is heat treated carbon steel. Chain length is 65 centimetres. So for you guys that work in inches, it's 25.6 inches. And the weight of the chain is 5.1 ounces. So for the total combined weight, you're looking at 8 ounces for the combined weight of this. This is I mean, this is a beautiful bit of kit. It really is. I am really impressed with how it looks and how everything feels. Inside the leather case, you will get a little manual, and I'm assuming this will comes with a 5-year warranty as well, and they're just basically your user guide, care instructions, everything you need to know. I should put all the relevant links in the description below, so you can go and check them out yourself. Maybe buy one of them, maybe buy one of their cheaper versions. As I said, that is their premium version, so it is the most expensive one they do. But let's get some wood and let's test this saw out, because I'm dying to test it out and see what it's like. It's, yeah, let's do that. Let's do it. Let's test it all out. Come on, let's go. Let's do it. Okay, so here we have a bit of down dash. You can see I've been chopping at this before on previous camps. So it's quite a thick bit of ash. So let's see how the old pocket saw does. Get cutting with it. I'm excited. I am excited, I'm not going to lie. Hey, she's done it. Not gonna lie, it is tiring, but that is quite a fat bit of wood.
That's what she said.
You know, you'd probably go for something not as fat as that, but yeah, honestly, it cuts through it really nicely. Impressed. I'm out of breath, I'm not gonna lie. As I said, you probably wouldn't go for something that thick. Maybe that thick, no, I'm joking. But yeah, no, I am impressed with that. That is a great bit of kit, a great bit of kit. Bloody brilliant. So, the Nordic Pocket Saw. What do I think of it? My first impressions and first time using it. I personally think it's a great bit of kit, and it's going to be a great bit of kit. The leather the pouch is made out of, it's quality, it's good, and as it gets older and more used, it's just going to get more supple and get a nice aged look to it. The saw itself, can't fault it. It cut perfectly. It's nice and sharp. It wasn't too hard to use. You know, I think them sort of saws takes a bit getting used to, a bit of technique, and you'll be fine with it. I probably, the bit of ash I cut was probably a bit over the top maybe. Most people would probably go for something not as fat, I guess. This saw, I'm really impressed. Normally, I like to try bits of kit multiple times before I give a verdict, but I think this is a good quality bit of kit. It just feels it, you know. I shall leave all the relevant links in the description below, so you can go check out the website, pick yourself up one of these, or one of the cheaper versions they do. This is the premium one, and I love it. It's a Nordic Pocket Saw. Thank you for sending this out to me. It's a great bit of kit, a real quality bit of kit, and I appreciate it. But that's it for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching and taking the time out of your day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.